Hi friends, today I'm going to show you an easy Tindora fry recipe and also give you a tip to make it nice and crispy. Hope you like it. Let's look at the ingredients. Here I have taken about half a kg of Tindora or Ivy gourd and cut it into long pieces like these, so about 4 pieces of one Tindora. Some salt to taste, 2 teaspoons of cumin and coriander powder, 2 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 garlic clove and I have crushed it, pinch of hing, and 1 big tablespoon of rice flour. Put the flame to medium high and I'm going to use a pan that is wide enough to fry those Tindora. Add about 5 to 6 teaspoons of oil. Spread it across the pan like this. Once the oil is hot, add the cumin seeds. As they crackle, add in the crushed garlic clove and add the pinch of hing. Give this tadka a quick toss like that, just spreading it across the pan, and now add in the chopped Tindora. Give it a good mix. Make sure that all the tadka is spread through the Tindora. For about 10 to 15 seconds, just mix it well. Now cover and cook it for about 5 minutes on a medium flame. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. Let's open and again give it a good mix. Start adding the spices. Add the turmeric powder, red chili powder, cumin and coriander powder, garam masala powder, and salt to taste. Give this a really good mix. Make sure that all the spices are spread well. So it will take about 30 to 40 seconds. So take your time and stirring like that. Mix it well. Now we are going to cover it and let it cook for about 8 to 10 minutes. Turn the flame to medium low. It's been cooking for about 10 minutes. Let's open and give it a mix. Now we are going to add the ingredient that's going to make this curry nice and crispy. So sprinkle the rice flour in the curry. Mix it well. Now we are going to cover and let it cook for about 5 to 7 minutes. It's been cooking for about 7 minutes. Let's open and give it a mix. It smells amazing in here. So just mix it and we are going to cook it for another 4 to 5 minutes. Now it's been cooking for about 5 minutes. Let's open and check. It looks absolutely delicious. Give it a good mix. You will start noticing that a nice crispy layer is formed on the Tindora. So look at that golden brown color. That's the layer that we are looking for. Now let's make sure that the Tindora is cooked. So it's kind of breaking off easily and it is cooked. Our curry is ready. Let's go ahead and switch off the flame. I'm going to take it out in a plate. This is an absolutely easy curry, with just Tindora in it. No other vegetable is required, no onions, no tomatoes. and it's really easy to put together. Do give it a try and let me know if you like it. I'm going to enjoy it with some hot chapatti and some curd. If you liked today's recipe, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Thank you.